What is up, guys? Today I'm back with the next quick unboxing. So today we're gonna unbox the Western Digital WD Blue SN 550 NVMe SSD. So this is a M.2 SSD basically, and it is a 500GB and it's a 3D NAND. So it has 5 years ANS. So I'm guessing that's 5 years of use or something like that. So here, build the ideal PC with dual storage using a Western Digital SSD plus an HDD. So this is basically, I would say this is like the better version of a hard drive, because you know hard drive, it has like a disk in it that's spinning, and it will easily be broken, and it is even slower than the SSD. So I really recommend, if you're building a PC these days or even want to upgrade your PC, this right here would be the best bet, because this is really fast. Especially, a little tip to do is actually put your Windows on this and all your programs on this, because this is really fast right here. So let me unbox it real quick for you guys. Nothing else in the box right here. Pretty small. We have the manual right here, but you know we don't read manual around here, guys, so put that aside. And we have the SSD right here, which is pretty small, guys. So let's try to take it out like that, and there we have it. So this, as you know, will go in your M.2 slot like that, and you screw the little screw right there. But that's pretty much it, guys. You see, it is really tiny. You could almost hide it in your hands and all those stuff. And yeah, it is pretty cheap also. I believe I got this for less than $100. I can check the actual price for you guys right now. So the actual price on Newegg is actually very, as I said, it was under $100. I think, yeah, it was $49 right there, guys, on Newegg. Newegg is always doing some deals, so if you're looking for some PC parts, you should definitely check out Newegg. I'm not saying it's the cheapest around town, but they always have some sales and all those stuff and get some pretty good deals. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. It was a quick unboxing video of the Western Digital 500GB SSD. And let me know if you're using this right now. I'll be using this in a build very soon. I'll link the video above so you guys can go check it out with me installing this and all those stuff and more in depth. So thank you guys for watching. Until my next video, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.